In this video, we'll be walking you through the settings menu as well as two of the more important features in our setting option. To navigate to our setting options, we'll first need to click on our menu icon down on the bottom right hand side of the panel. And from here, we'll navigate right up to settings. Now in settings, this will mainly be used by people who are making a bunch of patches at one time, or for those who need to slightly adjust the size of their design on the machine. Now we can't drastically change the size as it won't add or take away any stitches, but in this first menu here, the 100X and 100Y will directly affect the size of the design, whatever I currently have selected ready to embroider. And we would recommend either lowering this by 10 or raising it by 10 at the absolute max. So at the lowest it would be 90, at the highest it would be 110. And that will adjust the height and the width of your design at the same time. For those looking to do patches or making multiple patches at the same time, we'll need to select this second option from the left. And now from here, I can tell the machine that I want my design to copy or repeat 3 times to the right and 3 times down, or however much you guys would like. Down here, these two will be adding spaces in between each one of these copied designs. So we'll open it and we'll see we have a max of 99 and a minimum of 99. So we can go, say right in the middle at first, do 50. We can see that it's too small, everything's still overlapping. And just try to raise the number until we get a nice gap between all of those designs. We'll also do the same thing, adjusting the height. From here, I could go right back home. It'll start from this bottom left design here, and it'll go through each one of these, embroider all of them out. Afterwards, all I have to do is cut them out, and I've made about 9 patches in one hoop.